Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Code with Steve. In this tutorial, you will going to see the Bootstrap from 0 to advanced level. This is the first tutorial related to Bootstrap 5. So starting with the introduction, in this tutorial we will going to see what is Bootstrap, why to learn Bootstrap and how to learn Bootstrap. So without wasting much time, let's move into the topic. Now what is Bootstrap? Bootstrap is the most popular CSS framework for developing responsive and mobile-first website. So it is a CSS-based front-end framework. When we use it, basically we build website for the front end, and it uses the languages like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So there is something which is common in all the website, like interface means how the website will look like, typography means fonts of the website, layout, design of the website, etc. This tutorial will teach you the basic of Bootstrap framework, using which you can create web projects with ease. In the last, we will build responsive, so doing all this thing in one common CSS file. And when we use this file for our development, this is called CSS framework. In this Bootstrap framework, you will get everything that is used in most of the website. Now the second topic is why to learn Bootstrap. Mobile first approach. Bootstrap 5 framework consists of mobile first styles throughout the entire library instead them of in separate file. In this, we don't have to add the separate file for the mobile friendly website. In this single file we get large screen for the PC or computer, or for the small screen like cell phone. Browser support. It's supported by all popular browsers. It is supported by all the popular browsers like Chrome, Mozilla, Internet Explorer or Opera. Easy to get started. With just the knowledge of HTML and CSS, anyone can get started with Bootstrap. Also, the Bootstrap official sites has a good documentation. You can go through the website. It has a really nice interface. Responsive design. Bootstrap responsive CSS adjusts to desktop, tablets and mobile. Here we don't have to add separate media query for the responsive design. We automatically get the responsive design. Other than that, it will be easier to create responsive. Provides a clean and uniform solution for building an interface for developer. It contains beautiful and functional built-in components which are easy to use or customize. In the upcoming video, I will go through the website and show you the components of the Bootstrap. It also provides web-based customization. Here, if you don't want to use all the features of the Bootstrap, you can neglect it. So it is a customize. And best of all, it is an open source. So our work will get easier and faster for web development. Now the next topic is advantages of Bootstrap framework. Saving time. This is the biggest advantages of Bootstrap, that using it increases the development speed and gets the work done in very short time. Easy to use. If you have the basic knowledge of HTML and CSS, then you can easily use Bootstrap. Responsive design. Through Bootstrap, you can easily create responsive design. If your website is responsive, then it adjusts itself according to the screen size in any platform or devices. Cross-browser compatibility means Bootstrap is designed in such a way that our web page will look the same in almost all the modern web browsers like Firefox, Chrome, Internet Explorer, Opera, and etc. Customization. As I have told you earlier, Bootstrap is easy to customize, means that if you do not want all the features of Bootstrap, you can only use few features of them. And open source. It's the best thing about it is that you can use it for free. Now come into the next topic and let's see how to use Bootstrap CSS to build website faster. Before that, I want to tell you one important thing before building website, that website build into 4 different breakpoints. Large screen for the large screen PC and laptop or the computer. Medium screen for the small size PC or laptop. And the small screen for the tabs, iPad and the etc. Extra small as we use the smartphone or the cell phone. Now the next topic is Bootstrap Component. Accordion, alerts, badges, breadcrumb, buttons, button group, card, carousel. This is also called slider. Close button, collapse window, drop down, list group, model, nav and nav tabs, nav bar, off campus, pagination, and popover, progress, scroll spy, spinners, toast, and tooltip. These are some of the components we will going to use in our file to build website, and in detail we will going to all these components in our later videos. Here the accordion means collapse navbar or the button. Breadcrumb indicate the current page location. Model for the pop-up window or the browser. Now the next topic is comparison between Bootstrap 5 and 4. Bootstrap 5 is the newest version of Bootstrap with the new component, faster style sheet and more responsive. In the older version, we don't get the responsive much better as compared to Bootstrap 5. Bootstrap 5 supports the latest stable release of all major browser and platform. However, Internet Explorer 11 and down is not supported. Almost all the browsers support Bootstrap, but Internet Explorer 11 and down is not supported. And the best thing is that the main difference between Bootstrap 5 and 3 and 4 is that Bootstrap 5 has switched to JavaScript instead of jQuery. Now the next topic is other popular CSS framework, Bootstrap. As throughout the series we are using Bootstrap framework because we are made this video on Bootstrap. Tailwind CSS, Foundation, Bulma and Skeleton. These all are the popular CSS framework, but we are using Bootstrap. It is common. Why do we have to know before starting Bootstrap? HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Basic knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript you have required. With this you can easily get to the understand and Bootstrap framework. Without this you have a little bit difficulty to understand. Software requirement for Bootstrap: HTML editor and web browser. Here in the upcoming video I will show you the HTML editor. I will using Visual Studio Code. You can also use Notepad or Notepad++, and web browser like Chrome, Mozilla and all. When we want to work on Bootstrap, we need two files, Bootstrap CSS file and JavaScript file. So how to download and implement in our project, we will going to see in our next video. Thank you for watching this video, and let me know in the comment section on which topic you want the video. And if you understand this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you.